In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to create distinct calls to action or simply want to elevate the look and feel of your email design, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional polished layout with two buttons neatly placed next to each other. No coding required, so let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your Mailchimp email template design. This is where all the magic happens if you're already working on a campaign or starting fresh. Make sure you're in the template editing area. This is your main workspace, so it's important to have everything set up before we move forward. Once you're inside the template design, click on the body section of your template. Think of this as your canvas. It's where all your content lives, from text to images to, of course, buttons. Clicking on the body section tells Mailchimp exactly where you want to make these changes. After you've made your selection, here's the part that might feel a little counterintuitive. Click Done. I know this seems like you're finishing before you've really started, but don't worry. What this does is confirm your selection and allow Mailchimp to show you all the layout options you can work with. Now that the body section is set, scroll down until you see the blank layout options. These are preset blocks designed to help you structure your content in a variety of ways. What we're looking for here is blank layout number 2. This layout is ideal because it's already divided into two side-by-side columns. It's by far the easiest way to get two buttons next to each other without having to use any tricky workarounds. Once you've located layout number 2, simply drag and drop it into your email template, wherever you'd like your buttons to appear. A quick tip here, make sure you're working in desktop view for this step. On a desktop, the two columns will appear side by side, which is exactly what we want. If you switch to mobile view, you might notice that the columns are stacked vertically. That's completely normal. Mailchimp automatically adjusts layouts for smaller screens, so your emails are easier to read on mobile devices. But rest assured, your desktop view will look perfect. With your two-column layout in place, click Done again to confirm. Now it's time to add your buttons. Drag and drop a button block into one side of your two-column layout. At first, it might not look perfectly positioned, but don't worry. Mailchimp lets you adjust as much as you need. Here's a handy trick to save time. Once you've customized your first button, whether it's the text, color, or link, you don't need to create the second button from scratch. Instead, look for the duplicate icon, click it, and voila, you've got an identical button ready to go. To move this duplicate button into the second column, simply click and hold the button block, drag it over to the other column, and drop it when you see the placement area light up. It's as easy as moving a card from one pile to another. And there you have it. Two buttons sitting neatly side by side in your Mailchimp email. This simple yet effective design trick can make a huge difference in how your emails look and perform. Feel free to experiment with different colors, links, or calls to action for each button to make your content even more engaging. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.